Hi everyone, we are going to create a project for Resume Analyzer and ATS Score Predictor using the GenAI model llama3. With the help of llama3 model, we are going to analyze the resume and predict the ATS score. So this is a sample resume I'm going to use for this project. You can see the basic details inside the resume like about skills, education, experience, project, certifications. We are going to use the sample resume and predict the ATS score for this sample resume. So just create a new folder and open the folder with VS Code. You have to right click and select VS Code. So after that, you need to install llama from the website. For that, open Google and type download llama. After that, open the first website, download llama on Windows. You have to select the version. If you want Mac, you can select Mac. If you want Linux, you can select Linux. If you want Windows, you can select Windows. I'm going to select Windows. So just select download for Windows. So after that, you can able to see the download option. It will be 2 GB. You have to wait for this. It will take some time based on your internet speed. After the download is completed, you can able to open the setup.exe file. Just open the file. You can see the install option. Just select that. Now again you have to wait for that. It will take some time. It will install all the libraries required for this llama. So after the installation is completed, you can able to see the llama from your desktop. So this is the GUI for the llama. You can also see the lot of commands. If you want, you can use the codex, open code, copilot, droid. Also you can see the settings. If you want to auto download the updates, you can enable the option. You can also see the models download location. If you want, you can change. So I'm going to select the default option. So these are all the settings. If you want, you can reset. Otherwise, just go back. So this is how you can install the llama from the website. So remember that first you need to install this. After that only you can able to download, install any other models in local for your system. That's it. Now we are going to install the llama3 model in the VS Code. Just open the terminal and run this command in the terminal. Llama run llama3. You have to wait for this. It will take some time to download and install the model. So after the model is installed, you can exit the terminal. If you want, you can exit the terminal. Now we are going to import the basic packages and set up the environment. You have to type import request. That is our first package. And then we are going to import the second package by PDF. Import PDF reader. This package is very useful for reading the resume PDF file. After that, we need to set up the server for the llama. We have to use the HTTP localhost server. You have to type localhost with the port number used by llama server, that is 11434. That is the port number used by llama server. And then you have to type API/generate. So this is the setup for llama server. We are going to run the server in the local host with the port number 11434. After that, you have to import the model llama3, model equal to llama3. So that's it, guys. We have successfully set up the package and set up the environment, that is set up the local host server for the llama. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the basic functions useful for our project. Okay guys, now we are going to discuss about how to import the PDF or how to read the PDF. So for this, first you have to create a function def read PDF of file path. So we are going to get the PDF from the path, and then you have to create a variable reader. PDF reader. We are going to use the package PDF reader to read the PDF from the file path. And then text. We are going to create a simple text. It will be string. And then we are going to create a for loop. So some resume there will be lot of pages. For that only we are going to create a for loop for each page. It will read every pages in the resume PDF. So after that, we need to convert the text. First, we have to extract the text. You have to type content equal to page dot extract text. In every pages, we need to extract the text. That text will be stored in content. So that is the concept for this for loop. We are going to read every pages. In every pages, we are going to extract the text. After that, you have to type the if condition, if content. Now we are going to save all the content to our text variable. Text plus equal to content. So that's the concept for this for loop. Now we are going to return the output text. That's it. So this is how you can read the text from the resume PDF. First, we need to get the resume from the file path. This is the resume path. And then we are going to create a sample text. And then we are going to read every pages and get the text and provide the content to the text variable. That's it. In the next class, we are going to generate the text. Okay guys, now we are going to discuss about how to predict the ATS score. For that, we are going to create a function def ATS score of resume text, comma, job description. So we need two variables, resume text. What are all the text extracted from the resume PDF page, and then job description for this resume. Now we have to provide the prompt. So we are going to tell the model use the prompt and generate the output based on the prompt. So inside that, just type the basic prompts. Assume you are an expert in ATS score. You are an ATS score predict expert. and then analyze the ATS score or analyze the resume based on the job description and predict the ATS score. Analyze the resume ATS score from the PDF based on the job description. So based on the job description, predict the ATS score and analyze the resume. And then we are going to provide the details like I want these details like ATS score, what are all the missing keywords, what are all the strength of the PDF or strength of the resume or weakness in the resume, any suggestions, how we can improve the ATS score, how we can improve the resume. So these are all the prompts we can give to our model llama3. So now you have to provide the job description, curly bracket, job description. So this will be the job description and resume text. You can close the prompt. Now we need to provide the request to the server. After that only the server will provide the response. You have to type response equal to request dot host of. We are going to request to the server. The server will be running in the local host in the format of JSON. JSON will be like dictionary key value pair. We are going to tell the server use the model llama3. The model will be llama3. And then use the prompt we are given in the function. And we are not streaming the output. You have to type stream false. So that's it. Now the server will provide the response. We have to return the response. Return response dot JSON of response. That's it. We have successfully created a function for predicting the ATS score and analyzing the resume. So you have to create a function ATS score and you have to provide the prompt. You have to predict this score and predict this, analyze this resume. Like that you can provide. So I want these details, ATS score, keyword, strength, weakness, suggestions. And based on this job description and based on this resume, you have to provide the response. After that, we are going to tell the server, that is llama server, use the model, this model, you have to use the model llama3 and you have to use the prompt and then return the response. I want the result. In the next class, we are going to create our main function. Okay guys, now we are going to create our main function. So you have to create def main of PDF path. First we need to get the path of the PDF. So user will type the path of the PDF. Input of enter the PDF path. Job description. User will type the job description. If you are an HR, you can type the job description. I want this kind of people. I want 2 experienced people. I want this people for this job. Likewise, you can type the job description. So these are all the two variables we need. First we need the PDF path and second we need the job description. So after that you have to resume text. You have to type resume text read PDF. You have to call the function to read the PDF. And then you have to type result equal to ATS score of, we are going to call the function ATS score and we have to print the result. After that we need to call the main function. If name equal to main of. So this is how you can call the main function. That's it. So this is our main function for this project. First you have to get the PDF path and then you have to get the job description. After that you have to call the function to read the PDF and predict the score. So now you have to run this project. You have to provide the PDF path. Just right click and select copy path and you have to paste that. You have to select enter now and then you have to provide the job description. You can type the job description, machine learning with Python experience. Must have projects, certificates. Like that you can type your job description. Must have projects in machine learning. After that you have to wait for the response from your model llama3. So you can see the descriptions. ATS score 75 out of 100. So you can see the ATS score 75. And then you can see the missing keywords. What are all the suggestions? What are all the strength, weakness? All the prompts will be provided in the result. So this is very simple. First you need to import the packages and you need to set up the local environment for the llama server. After that you have to select your model. There are a lot of models. For this project I am just using llama3. After that you have to read the PDF and then you have to create a function to analyze the score and response. Get the response and result. That's it. We have completed our Gen AI project.